Hello students, Jai Shri Swaminarayan. Now let's move forward. Exercise 8.1, question number 4. First of all, read this question. A football team won 10 matches out of the total number of matches they played. If the win percentage was 40, then how many matches did they play in all? Okay, football team win 10 matches out of total matches. Now winning percentage is 40. Find the total matches. Okay, now in percentage, students, one thing, that is, if we write something like 40% of is equals to this. Okay, so here if we write this 40% of, so here our total numbers are there. Okay, our total quantity is there. Okay, 40% of total. Now, and here we writing the answer. Okay, now just understand the meaning of these two places. 40% of total is this. Okay, that means if 40% is for winning, okay, 40% of winning the matches, it means 40% of, so here total match, and here answer, that means this belongs to this winning matches. ओके, ये ऑलवेज फिक्स फॉर्मेट है जब भी हम परसेंटेज अप्लाई करते हैं कि जो भी परसेंटेज दिए हो ऑफ, उसके बाद टोटल क्वांटिटी रहती है कि टोटल क्वांटिटी के कितने परसेंटेज, और यहाँ पे उनका आंसर रहता है, मतलब जिनके भी परसेंटेज यहाँ पे दिया हो उनकी एक्चुअल वैल्यू यहाँ पे होती है. ओके, जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड दिस कॉन्सेप्ट. 40% जितने भी परसेंटेज दिए हो, चाहे कोई भी क्वेश्चन हो, परसेंटेज ऑफ के बाद जो आता है वो टोटल क्वांटिटी होती है कि 40%, बट किसके 40, तो टोटल के 40. ओके, 40% बट किसके, तो टोटल मैचेस के. ओके, वो चाहे मैचेस हो या और कोई चीजें हो, यहाँ पे जो आती है वो टोटल क्वांटिटी आती है. आफ्टर दैट जिनके भी परसेंटेज दिए हो, मान लो कि विनिंग की मैचेस के परसेंटेज दिए हैं, तो उनकी एक्चुअल क्वांटिटी यहाँ पे आती है कि कितनी मैच वो एक्चुअल में वन कर रहे हो. ओके, कितनी मैचेस में वो जीते रहे हो, तो जिनके भी परसेंटेज हो उनकी एक्चुअल वैल्यू यहाँ पे होती है. मान लो कि परसेंटेज ऑफ सेविंग है, तो एक्चुअल सेविंग कितना हो रहा है रुपीस में, वो यहाँ पे रहता है, और इन दोनों का यूनिट सेम होता है. ओके, टोटल मैचेस है तो यहाँ पे भी मैचेस ही आएगा, यहाँ पे रुपीस है तो यहाँ पे भी रुपीस ही आएगा, किलोमीटर है तो किलोमीटर ही आएगा. ओके, अगेन वन मोर टाइम, जो भी परसेंटेज दिए वो ऑफ, यहाँ पे टोटल क्वांटिटी होती है, यहाँ पे एक्चुअल क्वांटिटी होती है किसकी, जिनके परसेंटेज यहाँ पे दिए हो उनकी. ओके, यही फॉर्मेट यूज करके हम बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. ओके, so now apply this concept here. Now total team won 10 matches, winning percentage 40. We need to find total matches. Okay, so here according to the question, what we need to write, 40% of के बाद क्या रहेगा, total matches. 40% of total matches is equals to 10. Okay, first of all percentage of, then total quantity, so total matches, and here percentage किसके हैं, winning के, तो कितने मैच एक्चुअल में वन कर रहे हैं, 10. Okay, again 40% of, after that total matches, so total quantity is equals to, now actual quantity, कितने मैच वो एक्चुअल में वन कर रहे हो, 10. So 40% of total matches is equals to 10. From here we can find the value of total matches. Okay, so now here percentage that means divide 100. So 40 divided by 100. Okay, percentage it means divided by 100, so 40 by 100. Now of that means multiply, here total matches is equals to 10. Okay, here 0 0 cut. Now here we are finding total matches. Okay, so total matches is equals to, first of all here we have 10. Now we need to transfer this number to the right hand side. Okay, we need to transfer this 4 by 10 to the right hand side. So here 10 it is in denominator. If we transfer it to the right hand side, it goes to the numerator. And this 4 it is in numerator. If we transfer it to the right hand side, it goes to the denominator. Okay, now we can simplify this. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10. So total number of matches is equals to 25 matches. Okay, it means out of 25 matches they won 10 matches. That means 40%. Okay, again 40% of total matches. Now percentage किसके winning के, so winning matches 10. Okay, 40% that means divided by 100 of that means multiply total matches as it is equals to 10. And from here we need to find the total matches. So transfer this number to the right hand side. Denominator goes to the numerator and numerator goes to the denominator. So finally we get the answer 25 matches. Okay. Now let's move forward. Question number 5. First of all, let this question here. If Chameli had 600 rupees after spending 75% of her money, how much money did she have in the beginning? Okay, if Chameli had 600 rupees left after spending 75% of her money, how much money did she have in the beginning? Now beginning that means total money. Okay, total how much money she have in the beginning. So here even we need to find the total quantity. Okay, here even we need to follow the same process. Here even we need to find the total quantity. Okay, total how many money she have in the beginning. Okay, but one more thing, यहाँ पे क्या था, 40% है वो किसके थे, विनिंग के, और विनिंग मैचेस दी थी 10. यहाँ पे थोड़ा उल्टा है, ये 600 जो है वो स्पेंड नहीं किए, वो सेव किए, राइट. 600 rupees, Chameli had 600 rupees after spending the money. That means 600 rupees it is saving of Chameli, right? So this is the saving money, and here percentage it is for the spending. Okay, expense कितना किया, 75%. तो यहाँ पे एक गड़बड़ है, वो है जो परसेंटेज है वो एक्सपेंस के दिए है और रुपीस जो दिए है वो सेविंग के दिए है. तो दोनों में से किसी एक को कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. सो यहाँ पे स्पेंडिंग 75% इतना खर्च किया है तो बचाया कितना है, ओके 25%. यदि 75% स्पेंड किया है तो सेव कितना किया है, 25%. वो हमें पहले फाइंड करना पड़ेगा. ओके, ये दोनों चीजें भी मैच होनी चाहिए. विनिंग के परसेंटेज, विनिंग की मैचेस, यहाँ पे उल्टा हो रहा है. स्पेंडिंग के परसेंटेज और सेविंग के रुपीस, सो हमें कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. So percentage of saving is equals to total percentage is 100. So we need to subtract this 75 from 100. So 25%. Okay, now 25% saving and actual money is 600 rupees. Now we need to use this concept here. So here 25% of total money is equals to 600. ओके, टोटल मनी के 25% सेविंग जो है उनकी एक्चुअल अमाउंट 600 है. सो फ्रॉम हियर वी नीड टू फाइंड द टोटल मनी. ओके, नाउ परसेंटेज दैट मींस डिवाइड 100 ऑफ दैट मींस मल्टीप्लाई टोटल मनी एज इट इज बिकॉज़ दैट वी नीड टू फाइंड इज इक्वल टू 600. ओके, now transfer these numbers to the right hand side. So here first of all total money, first of all we have 600. Now this denominator goes to the numerator, so multiply 100 and numerator goes to denominator, so divided by 25. Okay, now we can simplify this. So 25 4s are 100, 600 into 4, 2400, and unit is rupees. So this is our answer. Okay, in beginning Chameli had 2400 rupees. After that she spent 75% of her money, and at last she had 600 rupees. Okay, so first of all we need to match these two things. So first of all we need to find the percentage of saving, because here amount is given in terms of saving. So percentage of saving 100 minus 75, 25%. After that we can write 25% of total money is equal to 600. Okay, so here 25% that means divide 100, so 25 divided by 100, of means multiply, total money is equal to 600. Okay, now we need to simplify this. So for that, transfer this 100 to the right hand side, it goes to the numerator, and this 25 goes to the denominator. So after that we get the answer 2400 rupees. Okay, now let's move forward. Question number 6. Read this question. If 60% people in a city like cricket, 30% like football, and the remaining like other games, okay, then what percentage of the people like other games? If the total number of people are 50 lakh, find the exact number who like each type of game. Okay, now two questions we have. First of all, 60% people like in a city cricket, 30% like football, and remaining like the other games. Now what percentage of the people like other games? So our first question, percentage of people who like other games. Now how we can find it? Percentage of people who like the other games. So what is the given to you? 60% cricket, 30% football, and remaining for the other games. So we know that total percentage is 100, right? Total percentage is 100. Now here 60% people like cricket, 30% like football. So total 90%. So how many percentage we have left? Okay, so remaining percentage is 10, because total percentage is equal to 100. 60 for the cricket and 30 for the football. So 60 plus 30, 90. So remaining percentage is 10. Okay, so 10% remaining percentage, that is for the other games. Okay, so here 100 minus the 60 plus 30. ओके 60% क्रिकेट के लिए और 30% फुटबॉल लाइक कर रहे हैं, तो इन दोनों को मिलाओ तो कितने होंगे 90%. ओके 90 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करो 100 में से, सो रिमेनिंग परसेंटेज जो हुई है वो किसके लिए होंगे? अदर गेम्स के लिए. सो 10% ऑफ पीपल लाइक द अदर गेम्स. ओके, सो हियर आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज डन. नाउ सेकंड थिंग, if the total number of people are 50 lakh, now total number of people is given to you 50 lakh, find the exact number who like each type of game. तो इन तीनों गेम के लिए एग्जैक्ट पीपल कितने हैं वो हमें फाइंड करना है. परसेंटेज तो हमें दे रखे हैं. ओके, परसेंटेज तो हमें दिए हुए, हमें एग्जैक्ट नंबर फाइंड करना है कि एग्जैक्टली कितने पीपल क्रिकेट लाइक कर रहे हैं, कितने फुटबॉल और कितने अदर गेम्स. ओके, so here first of all, number of people who like cricket is equal to, okay, now for the cricket how many percentage we have? 60. So 60% of total, 60% of total people. Okay, 60% of total number of people. So 60% that means divide 100 of means multiply, and total number of people is 50 lakh. Okay, number of people who like cricket is equal to cricket के percentage कितने हैं 60, so 60% of total number of people. Okay, now simplify this. So 50 to the 100 and 2 30 60. Okay, 30 to the 60. So here our answer is 30 lakh. Okay, so 30 lakh. Now same thing we need to do for the football. So here number of people who like football is equal to, now for football we have 30%, so 30% of total number of people. So 30% that means divide 100, of that means multiply, and total number of people is 50 lakh. So 50 to the 100 and 15 to the 30. So here our answer is 50 lakh. Okay. And third thing, number of people who like other games is equal to, now for the other games we have 10%. So 10% of total number of people. So 10% that means divide 100, of that means multiply, and total 50 lakh. So 1 0 cut and 1 0 from here we can cut. So our answer is 5 lakh. Okay, so 5 lakh. So here out of this 50 lakh people, 30 lakh people like cricket, 15 lakh people like football, and remaining 5 lakh people like the other games. So total 30 plus 15 45 plus 5 50 lakh. Okay, so our first work is to find percentage of people who like the other games. So 60 plus 30 90, so remaining 10%. Okay, now number of people who like cricket, so 60% of total. Okay, that I already explained to you, 60% of total. So 60% of total 50 lakh, of multiplies percentage, that means divide 100, 30 lakh. Same thing we need to do in all three types. Okay, so students, here our exercise 8.1 is complete. If you have any doubt in this exercise, please write down in comment section. I will give you the answer. Thank you.